Hi, today I'm for the Vivo V21e and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So if you wanna use some options from double press to down, by press and hold to the down volume button, you should open first the settings app and then scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility. Then click to quick action option, and to activate this option click on the switcher, and now for example we'll turn on flashlight by press and hold to the down volume button. So let's just check it. So let's press and we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. To turn it off, just click to the power key button once and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.